Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dave Hahn. Just had a couple of minutes and wanted to touch base with you guys to see how everyone's doing on Facebook Marketplace. So if you're selling and you're doing drop shipping, this is the channel for you. So what we're going to be doing is going over my experience. I started a little bit over 2 months ago, and I'm already making over $1,500 per month. Last couple of weeks have been pretty good, being the springtime, so you've got a lot of spring items coming in. It's everything from power washers to garden stuff, just the whole gambit of everything with outdoor flavor is going to be selling good on Marketplace. One of the things that some of these other gurus say, which hasn't always panned out, is they'll tell you, oh yeah, well, you just need to list cheap items that are you can get from eBay for $10-15, and then turn around and sell them for $20-23. There's some problems with that. So number one, you're not going to make any money really doing that. You're going to be making a few bucks here or there, and yeah, you will have some profit, but by the time you take out your Facebook listing fees of 5%, you take out taxes, unless you're tax exempt, getting it from eBay, you're still going to have to pay taxes because most people are not tax exempt yet. So you'll be able to get $2 to $3 per item profit, but you're going to have to sell a dozen, maybe 2 dozen, in order to make a $100 a day. And even with those, you're going to have a $20 or $40 order here or there. So just be aware that there's a lot of different ways to do Facebook Marketplace, and I think that a lot of people, when they start out, they're kind of scared as far as, well, I'm not going to get my money for 21 days. As soon as I send it into by supplier, it's going to take some time in order for me to actually get it paid back, and paid on my credit card or your debit card, whatever you're paying. But there's a couple of tricks that, for example, you can use OA Genius, and I just started using that, and it's pretty cool. It has a tracking feature where you can pull up the tracking number, and what you do is you put it in, whether you're sourcing from Amazon, and then you get the Amazon TBA tracking. Well, you can't input that into the Facebook Messenger, or excuse me, the Facebook Marketplace, because they only allow you to put UPS or the USPS or FedEx. Those are the three options you have for Facebook Marketplace. But the options you get with the tracker is, once you get the tracker and put it into Facebook Marketplace, the tracker that you get from OA Genius, you're able to use that and essentially say that it's shipped, right? So once it's shipped, you get to have your money 5 days after it's delivered. So within a couple of days, you're able to recoup your cash. So that's just one of the other tricks, and there's about 3 or 4 other ones that I'll go into in some of my other videos. But I just wanted to see how you guys are doing. Make sure you like and subscribe. Click below. I want to hear what you guys are doing. What are some of the issues you're experiencing? What are the problems you're having? I know that some people, when they start out, whether they're younger, they don't have a $25,000 credit card to put the money on. Having the cash flow can be kind of a problem with starting out with drop shipping, but there's some ways around that as well. And some of the other videos will discuss what are the cash back cards you should consider, and then as well as how to use coupons and what not to do, because there's a lot of things not to do when it comes to payment, and I don't ever hear people talk about that. And I made a couple of mistakes, and I want to make sure that you guys are aware of what not to do as well. So let me know, what are you experiencing? What's working for you? What's not? What do you guys want to know about? And what's your goal? When do you plan on making $1,000? When would you like to make $5,000? It's going to take time to ramp up to that level, but there's people that are doing it, and a lot of it is just determination. There are a lot of online businesses out there, but dropshipping is one that works. It does take a lot of time and dedication to it initially, so if you don't have a VA, a virtual assistant, make sure that you are prepared to put some time in, but at the end of the day, you're going to be making consistent money. As long as you do a quality job, you provide good customer service, you have good descriptions, and you're honest about your shipping time, for the most part, your item's priced well, it'll sell. So there's that. And just want to see how you guys are doing, and just hit me up. Let me know, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.